Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Okay student, till now we have completed block 5. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. Today we are going to start block 6 lesson plan 1. For this, what is our topic? Using pictures. Using pictures to imagine. And what will be the resources for today's class? Only the content book, notebook and workbook. What are the keywords? Pictures, images, and our agenda as usual. First we will go for the questioning, then activity part, after that discussion, then worksheet and then homework. Okay student, what is our topic? Our topic is using pictures to imagine. Do you know what does it mean? Yes, using pictures to imagine. Today we are going to read a story through the pictures. Yes. Have you done this thing before this? Yes. In block number 1, Anya and the Dragon. We read the story through the pictures. First we read the story through the pictures. We have seen the pictures only. Then we have collected our own guesses and then we have compared. Today again we are going to do something like that only. So what is our aim today? Our aim is look at the pictures, imagine story and answer related question. Means first we will have a look on the pictures and then we will imagine about the story and then you will answer related questions. Means पहले आप pictures को देखेंगे फिर आप उसके बारे में imagine करेंगे कि इस picture में क्या हो रहा है. Then what will you do? Then you will answer the related question. Then you will form some question and you will relate the answers with them. Students, have you ever heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? A picture is worth 1,000 words. What does it mean? Yes, means a picture is worth 1,000 words. Means a picture tell us about 1,000 of words. मीन्स पिक्चर जो होते हैं हमें 1000 ऑफ वर्ड्स बता देती है. वी कैन रीड द पिक्चर्स लाइक वर्ड्स. अ पिक्चर कैन टेल अस मैनी थिंग्स अबाउट अ स्टोरी. मीन्स through when we are looking at the picture, through looking the picture we can imagine about a story. Yes, so a picture is telling us more about than words. Means वर्ड से कहीं ज़्यादा हमें एक पिक्चर बता देती है. हम काफ़ी सारे गेसेस करते हैं पिक्चर को देख के. यस यस स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ इट इज़ टाइम फॉर द एक्शन पार्ट. टुडे वी विल रीड अ स्टोरी अबाउट पर्नव's फ्रेंड्स. But first we will look at the pictures to see if we can imagine what the story is about. Means what will we do? Today we are going to read the story about Parnav's friends. But we are not reading the story through words. First we will have a look on the pictures. Then we will imagine about the story. What the story is about. Means story किसके बारे में है. Start. Yes students, now look at this picture. Yes, what do you see in this picture? Who are there in this picture? Yes, right. Who are there in this picture? Two boys are there. Yes. Now again look at this picture. Yes students, now one by one you will look at all these pictures. Yes. What do you think the story is about? Yes. Yes, obviously the story must be about two boys. Yes. Who all are there? Look at the next picture. Yes, two boys are there. What are the two boys doing? Yes, what these boys are doing in this picture? Yes, they are playing. They are playing cricket. Yes, because they are playing with their bat and ball. Yes, what are they looking for? Yes, what are they looking for here in this picture? Yes, you can guess. Yes, your guess is right. Maybe their ball has lost. and they are looking for their ball. Yes. Which tree is this? Yes, guess. What is there on this tree? Mango is there. So, which tree is this? This is a mango tree. Is there anything special about that you notice in the picture? Yes, anything special? Yes, guess about this question. Yes, dear student, just now you have seen all the pictures and you have imagined about the story also. Now we are going to read the story to find out if what we were guessing about the story actually happens in the story or not. Yes. So, what we are going to do? We will compare our guesses and the story. Actually, what happens in the story? We will compare both the things. Students, now open your content book, page number 26, and you will follow the text with your finger. I will read the story and you will listen it very carefully. It was Parnav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Yes, what is going on? Parnav and Saket is playing here. And whose turn is this? Yes, Parnav's turn. And Saket is throwing the ball. Look at the next picture. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack! The ball flew into the bushes. As he hits the ball, so he hit it loudly and with sound. Yes, thwack. Now the next. Snap, crack, twigs broke and leaves fell on the ground. Oh no, said Parnav. Be careful not to hurt my friends. Saket was surprised. He could see only the trees and bushes in Parnav's garden. But where were Parnav's friends? Parnav found the ball and patted the bushes. These bushes are my friends. Parnav said, all the trees are my friends. But I'm your friend? Saket said, of course you are. Parnav nodded. Means Parnav is introducing all the trees and bushes as his friends to Saket. वो साकेत को जितने भी उसके ट्रीज है उसके गार्डन में और बुशेस हैं उनको एज ए फ्रेंड उससे मिलवाता है. वो कहता है कि ये सब मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं एंड ही इज रिक्वेस्टिंग टू साकेत नॉट टू हर्ट देम कि उनको नुकसान मत पहुंचाओ. But I talk to you and play with you, Saket said, and yesterday I shared my chocolate bar with you. That's what real friends do. Parnav pulled Saket under a tree. Listen, he whispered. Saket listened. The wind blew and he heard the tree say, Shusha, shusha, shh, shh. My friend is inviting us to sit in his shade, Parnav said. Parnav sat on the ground. Saket sat down too. The wind blew again. Some leaves fell on the boys. Here Saket is talking to Parnav and he is telling here that I'm your friend, I'm talking to you, I'm playing with you, I have shared my chocolate with you. But who is your real friend? I or the trees? Then Saket said, listen the sound of the trees, listen the voice of the trees. And then wind blows, तभी हवा चलती है and some leaves fell on the boys. Thump! Saket jumped as some twigs and sticks fell into his lap. Parnav laughed. Now my friend is teasing us, he said. Is that tree your friend too? Saket asked. He pointed to a tall tree across the garden. Parnav nodded. That is a mango tree, and it shares all its sweet fruit with me in the summer. Just like I share my chocolate with you. said Saket, looking around the garden with a smile. Parna was lucky to have so many friends. Then Saket jumped. Some twigs and sticks fell into his lap. कुछ twigs छोटी छोटी डालियाँ और sticks उसके गोद में गिरती हैं. Then Parna laughed. Now my friend is teasing us. अब मेरा जो friend है वो हमें tease कर रहा है. Then Saket asked, "Is that tree your friend?" He pointed to a tall tree across the garden. यहाँ Saket पूछ रहा है, "That tall tree is also your friend?" Yes, Parna nodded. Yes, that is a mango tree, and it shares all its sweet fruit with me in the summer. समर सीजन में ये अपने स्वीट फ्रूट्स जो मैंगोज होते हैं वो मेरे साथ शेयर करता है, जैसे मैं तुम्हारे साथ मेरी चॉकलेट शेयर करता हूँ. एज दिस ट्री इज ऑल्सो शेयरिंग its mangoes with me. Then Saket looked all around and he is saying that Parna was lucky to have so many friends. The boys played in Parna's garden all day. Saket always tried to hit the ball away from the bushes. As he was leaving, Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes, and the trees all waved their branches and said shusha, shusha, shh to their new friend. Yes, then the boys played all the day in the garden and they tried to hit the ball away from the bushes. Means उन्होंने अपनी जो बॉल थी उससे ट्रीज और bushes को हिट नहीं किया. They saved them all the time, and when they were leaving they say goodbye, and then the trees also replying by waving their branches and said shusha, shusha, shh to their new friend. So this was the chapter. Yes, this was the story, and we have imagined the story through the pictures also. Yes, if any difference is there, yes, you can guess now easily. Yes, students, now it is time for analysis part. Now I'm going to ask the questions which are based on the activity part. In activity, what did we do? Yes, we read the story. Okay, my first question is, what is the story about? Yes, what is the story about? The story is about two friends, Parnav and Saket. Parnav and Saket are playing with a bat and ball in Parnav's garden. Yes, where are they playing? They are playing in a garden. Yes, my next question is, who are his friends? Who are Parnav's friends? Yes, Parnav के और भी friends थे. Have you seen other friend other than Saket in the story? Yes, there are so many trees in Parnav's garden. Yes, so Parnav introduces all these trees as his friend to Saket. वो साकेत को उन ट्रीज को एज ए फ्रेंड उनकी एक मीटिंग करवाता है, एज ए फ्रेंड उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करता है ट्रीज को. व्हाई? बिकॉज trees are very important for us. Trees help us in many ways. Help करते हैं trees हमारी? Yes, आपकी भी करते हैं. Yes, कैसे करते हैं trees हमारी help? Trees are giving oxygen. Trees are giving fresh air, and trees are giving fruits also. Yes, so that is why Parnav introduces all the trees as his friends to Saket. Yes, students, my next question is, did the pictures in the story help us in any way? Did the pictures in the story help us in any way? जो pictures है story में वो हमारी help करते हैं किसी तरह से? If they are helping, then how? Yes, how they are helping? Right. The pictures are giving us many clues about the stories. Yes, picture हमें clues देती है. आपने फर्स्ट पिक्चर देखी, उसमें क्या था? What was there in that first picture? Yes, two boys were there. What were they doing? They were playing. Yes, it actually happens in the story ना. स्टोरी में एक्चुअल में ही दो बॉयज होते हैं और वो दोनों फ्रेंड होते हैं और वो दोनों खेल रहे होते हैं, they were playing with the bat and a ball. So this how the pictures help us a lot. They are giving so many clues about the story and we can imagine what will happen in the story. Yes, next question is, how does pictures help us to read? How does pictures help us to read? Pictures हमारे रीडिंग में कैसे हेल्प करती है? Yes, right. We can see the complete story in our mind by looking at the pictures. Through the pictures we can imagine the story. Yes, we can imagine. जैसे हम pictures को one by one हम सारे pictures को देखते हैं तो स्टोरी हमारे माइंड में अपने आप डेवलप होती चली जाती है, पूरी स्टोरी अपने आप हमारे माइंड में फॉर्म हो जाती है. सो दिस हाउ पिक्चर्स हेल्प अस टू रीड अ स्टोरी. Yes, student, now it is time for the HOTS, the higher order thinking question. What if you heard the story with your closed eyes? What if you heard the stories with closed eyes? Could you still imagine in it? Yes. अगर आपने स्टोरी को अब बंद आंखों से सुना होता, then could you imagine in it? क्या फिर आप इसको इमेजिन कर सकते थे? If yes, then how? Right. We can listen to read words in our mind to make the pictures. If we will listen the words very carefully, then we can imagine the pictures in our mind and then these pictures can help to form the story. When we are listening a story, जब हम किसी भी स्टोरी को सपोज हमने आइज क्लोज कर दिया है, देन वी आर गोइंग टू लिसन अ स्टोरी, हम उस टाइप एक स्टोरी को लिसन कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, तो हमारे माइंड्स में पिक्चर्स अपने आप डेवलप होती रहती हैं. Yes, and through these pictures we can imagine the story. Yes, students, now it is time for the application part. You will apply your thinking skill here. You will complete S1, dwell on page number 36 in your workbook and it must be completed within 15 minutes. Till now the students have completed 5 blocks. Now they are, I think so, they are habitual and they can complete it without your help. So let them do on their own. Students, now open page number 36 of your workbook. Using pictures to imagine. Question number 1. Use the pictures to write a sentence. First you will have a look on the picture and then you will write sentences about the picture. Yes, look at this picture. What is happening in this picture? This how you will go to the B part also. Next picture you will see and then you will write 2 sentences about it. Then next also. Now on question number 2. What does the sentence say? Draw it. Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes. You will draw a picture about this sentence. Now let's move to the homework. What is your homework for today? Yes, draw an event from the story Parna's friend. What will you do? You will take any of the event. कोई भी एक event लेंगे स्टोरी का और उसको आप ड्रॉ करेंगे, क्योंकि स्टोरी में बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं और उसमें कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, उनमें से आप कोई भी एक पिक्चर लेंगे एंड यू विल ड्रॉ इट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू ओनली. And do practice question 3 on page number 31 of content book in your notebook. You will do practice question 3 and you will do these questions in your fair notebook. The questions are given about the story only. Now at last it is time for the summarization part. Okay, what have we learned today? Right, today we have learned using pictures to imagine. Today we have guessed about the story through the pictures. Means first we have seen the pictures, then we have imagined about the story and then we have compared. Means what actually happens in the story and what we are guessing about the story. So this was our topic. According to me, we have achieved our aim successfully. Yes, students, be ready for our next class also, and resources for the next class is pen, a pen, any kind of pen you can take, a whistle, सीटी होती है ना जो हम बजाते हैं, that whistle, content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.